How to copy YouTube video link in mobile. If any day any of you are a mobile user, that may be an Android phone or your iOS phone, and you would like to copy the YouTube link in your mobile but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very YouTube application on your mobile device. You have to find the very YouTube application on your mobile device and have to tap on it like this. After you tap on it like this, you can see that YouTube will be launched on your very mobile device. After YouTube is launched on your very mobile device, now you have to tap on the very video whose link that you would like to just copy. After you tap on the video like this, you can see an interface like this. Now here you have to tap on the option of share, and after you tap on the option of the share, you can see the option of copy the link. You have to go to the option of the copy the link, and you can also paste it to the way that you want. So this is the way on how you can copy a link of YouTube on your very mobile device. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.